Hello and welcome. It's Patrick here in the hammock, the mystic heart for another energy upgrade. And I'm starting liking this because what comes through is quite amazing, and I really appreciate that more of you are tuning in and enjoying this. So today the energy upgrade is actually a lot about the heart and the access to the heart. So the way the energies are coming to us, and this is not only astrology, but astrology is surely in harmony with the energies that are coming through. It is really about our access to our own heart. And when we can do that, then we can actually fully tune in to relate. So the heart gives us an opportunity to find a new relationship to nature, to ascension, to new earth, to all the new paradigms that are coming in, but also to all the old that is still passing, that is still breaking. So it is like we are in this birth channel or rebirthing channel at the moment, where we truly have an opportunity, regardless of all the turmoil that is in the outside world, and surely a bit in the inside, as we getting more courage to go into the shadow, maybe in a new level. If you are not new to this, I mean, I've been into this for at least 30 years. I always went into the shadow. Shadow work was my thing for a very long time. But this is a very different level of shadow work, because the energies are so different. So yes, this week, September 14th until 20th, we also have a full moon and the beginning of the eclipse season, and it's going right into the equinox. So there is an orchestra out there that is truly allowing us to play our part. And this again is only possible to the access of our own heart. And with that, we are really able to see things from a very different perspective. We find our unique voice and our uniqueness overall. We're learning to be true co-creators. And when we access our own heart, we obviously also access the cosmic heart. So with that comes a whole new consciousness. So this is really, really exciting. And the energy upgrade for all of us is that we can see things through the eyes of the heart at this point in time. And that's a big thing, because we can truly now see beyond, behind, and what is hidden. And we're no longer running away from what we think could be bad, so duality, judgment, what could be non-beneficial. We are now in a point where we can easily access the frequency of love and harmony. Compassion goes with that, and gratitude. Yes, September, of course, please do not forget, is also a month of harvest. Harvest also means that things are coming to fruition. You get clarity. This week is a good week for clarity with this full moon in Pisces, and there's a lot more going on, and we are in the time of Virgo still, almost coming to the last week here. And so it is good to ground it in, to integrate it. And the energies are supporting us, I want to say, like crazy. So if we are not attuning at this time and making this access through our own heart, then I don't know when is a better time. So this is this part. Of course, there's so much to say about this conscious evolution, the ascension energies, and we are tuned in. The other thing that I do want to mention before I do the light language bridge, but it is related, we are receiving now, with this energy of the heart, of course, more codes for homoluminous. So there's another shift happening for us to evolve into homoluminous. And of course it has to do with the heart, as the operating system is heart for homoluminous. So slowly we're disconnecting from the operating system mind of Homo sapiens. And this is not always easy, but we're doing it anyway. So keep that access of your heart so that you can dance and relate and even birth this new, unique and true you that is coming forth at this moment. So the bridge that I want to bring you today with the light language and sound, and I want to make sure I get this of course right, is really attuning to the sacred heart, so to your own heart, and with that obviously to the cosmic heart and the cosmic consciousness, so that we can ground that in. So I know it's a bit of a mouthful and I will find a way to say that shorter, but it is basically another access to the heart that allows us to become more conscious. I think that's the easiest way I can say that. So let me see what is coming through for us to have that bridge, and for you to receive that bridge and these codes of light, to come in this new space of your heart and the cosmic heart and this new octaves of consciousness. Tola Maria ho, honare honare hona, toane 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 tohona, kohohohoho kalareo manayo. Yeah, it's the new consciousness of the heart that's coming through here, that connects us, that gives us that courage to truly make space and let go, so we can start embracing the Aquarian age as well. Of course, please let me know in the comments how this went for you. This is all new for all of us, so bear with yourself, trust yourself, just let it unfold and enjoy making that new access to your heart, so that you can truly feel what it is like to be in new earth. Not only feel it, but break through the old illusions and truly live this new earth. What else is happening today in the energy? Yeah, much is happening for us. We are literally stepping into a lot of new ways, and it is very, very, very exciting. We came up with the New Earth recipes for conscious awakening, which is fully in that, and the letting go, the art of letting go is already out, but we will make sure that you can also access it easily, so that is in the making. The puzzle pieces became the passion pieces, and the client I'm currently working with, it's just amazing what is going on there. And so, yes, the short courses, retreats, it's all accessible, and you choose what's the best for you. So we are not putting you into our old formats. You choose what's the best for you. You want to do it in a small group, you want to do it with friends, you want to do it on your own. Let's talk and we make it happen. Mutual availability, of course. And the mystic heart has decided it shows its magic a little bit more to a couple of people, and you will hear about that as well. When it's all ready, we're putting a link there, and you can find out more about working with us, Anna Cecilia and myself, sometimes together, sometimes not. So sending you much love into this new week and this amazing energy upgrade. As you can imagine, as the mystic heart and man of the heart, it's really exciting for me that the upgrade gives us this new access and finding new ways. So much love from my heart to yours. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put a comment so we can start having a talk about this and we learn more about each other. Take care now.